In today's video, let's talk about how to use Lyft driving preferences for a better experience. Now, using the driver preferences, it allows the drivers to customize their experience, maximize the earnings, as well as filter some trips inside of the Lyft platform. Now, in order to reach this section, you just need to head over to the Lyft Driver app, and then you'll be able to see the option of driving preferences inside of settings. Once you're inside of the driving preferences, you'll need to first of all take a look at the filter ride types. You need to ensure you are only receiving requests for the service that you want. Let's say if your vehicle qualifies for a premium tier service such as the Extra Comfort or Lyft XL, you can toggle these options on within the ride types in order to increase your earning potential. Also, you can manage the queued ride and switches. You can set up how you handle back-to-back ride requests while you are already driving a passenger. You can do this by heading over to the ride switch option, and you can simply turn this option on. This option prevents Lyft from rerouting you automatically to a different passenger. Apart from this, what you can also do is use the location and the destination filter. You can head over to the first option that is visible, which is the head to destination, which you can exactly input your address, ensure that the algorithm only pairs you with the riders that are going in that particular direction. Also, you can head over to the stay within area so that you can set up a precise radius. So these are some of the things that you can do inside of the driving preferences for a better experience. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.